Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools out there. Whether you're in logistics, real estate, data analytics, or any industry that works with location data, I got something today that'll save you a ton of time and effort. If you've ever needed to bulk convert address to Lat Long, our tool, Excel Geocoder, is exactly what you need. It's a fast, reliable, and fully Excel-based solution that lets you generate latitude and longitude coordinates for hundreds or even thousands of addresses in just minutes. No more copying and pasting into online tools. No expensive subscriptions, and no coding required. Excel Geocoder runs 100% inside Excel. There's nothing to install. Just download the file, open it, and you're ready to go. It works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US, and connects directly to the Google Maps API to return highly accurate geolocation data. You can use full street addresses, city names, or zip codes. The tool is flexible and smart enough to handle a wide range of inputs. Using it is super simple. Just paste your list of addresses into the sheet. Whether it's 20 or 20,000, this tool will handle it effortlessly. Then click the Generate button, and the tool will connect to Google Maps to fetch the latitude, longitude, and even altitude for each address. The results are neatly organized in columns, ready for use in mapping tools, reporting, software integration, or geographic analysis. We've been developing Excel tools for over 16 years, and Excel Geocoder is one of the most popular among our 7,500 plus happy users. With over 135-star Google reviews, our customers constantly tell us how much time and hassle this tool saves. From business analysts to dispatch teams, everyone loves how smooth and efficient it is. And if you ever need help, we're just a phone call or email away. And yes, we actually answer the phone. You'll talk to a real person, not a bot. So, if you're ready to bulk convert address to Lat Long directly in Excel, download Excel Geocoder using the link in the description below. If you have questions or need a custom version, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new tool or update. See you next time, and happy converting.